Cough Medicine Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global cough medicine market size is $1,658.2 million in 2024 and will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $663.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe held the market of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $497.46 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific held the market of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $381.39 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America holds the market of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $82.91 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa held the market of around 2% of the global revenue with a market size of $33.16 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.